Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Cooking with Abby, we're going to be making 5 different smoothies in 5 minutes.
5 minutes a minute per smoothie? No, we're not going to make it. But, you know, we thought we'd make a whole bunch of smoothies because making one smoothie in a whole episode would be kind of...
It'd be like a 2-minute episode.
Little lame. What are we going to tell people about this? 1, we made a horrible mess making these smoothies. 2,
our counter is stained.
Which one was it? It was this guy.
It was this guy and this guy.
We made about 6 liters of.
No, it was this guy. So it's like 20. We fed the neighbor.
So, we will put the ingredients where, Abby?
Here or at cookingwithabby.com.
And we will make sure that we scale them down a little bit because 3 cups of berries for a smoothie like this is a little much. That said, you know, you can double it and you can triple it and you can do whatever you need to do, right?
Yeah.
Big mess, big things. Ooh, side note, we use the fancy dancy food processor / blender / you know, ninja. Normally I say, well, you don't need to do that. No, you need a fancy dancy blender. If you're gonna make a smoothie, people, like, invest in a blender because you need it.
Like you can't make a smoothie without
You get the little bullet things and like there's all kinds out there. Yeah, do your research. Ice. Make sure you can crush some ice. A lot of the frozen berries here, they'll go very quickly. The ice is always a trouble thing. So
and it makes it cold.
It makes it cold. Ice does make things cold.
Yeah.
Shall we get started, Rebecca?
We shall.
We shall. We're going to start with our green smoothies. Both of these guys have spinach. In fact, both of these are pretty close to one another, aren't they?
They both have like the same ingredients.
They have the same ingredients
Except this one has berries and chia.
And we've got some maple syrup.
Both.
I always recommend kind of putting in,
The solid.
you know, maybe the spinach last. Put the spinach at the top, I know. Put in the solid. So we have 2 cups only.
To put in the milk?
Yeah, go for it. Who cares? I just put the... No, Rebecca, put your milk down. Put your berries in first. It doesn't matter, people. We're going to blend the snot out of this. We have 2 berries here. Wow! Berries everywhere! Ooh. See, that's why we don't put our liquids in first, because then we have splashy. We froze some bananas in advance. Why? Because we had rotting bananas. Yeah, sure. No, put your banana in. Really? I always like putting spinach on top because I find it gets to the blades faster. So as I mentioned, fancy dancy blender.
ASMR.
Yay!
This is satisfying.
ASMR people.
All over the place. We have some chia seeds for this one. We're gonna save those as a topping for later. I don't really get it.
Do I put them on?
Put them all in, smush her down. Don't get too wet.
Why do you always end up with the full glasses?
It's true. Rebecca tends to find the big ones. All right, Abby, blend away. Will it blend? One blended. The nice thing with having them roughly the same ingredients is I feel no need to clean the blade.
Looks good.
Looks delicious. How about you pass that to your sister?
Smells
Start
good.
Screwing hers in. No sampling. We have to sample them all at the same time. Oh no, they're both going to be... Oh no, they will be different enough.
Different.
Yours will be more pink.
Exactly.
Because I have berries.
Shake number 1. Abby, blend away.
Purple.
Aren't you? Oh, what was that? So that was a little bit of suction cup going on there.
Don't
I thought it exploded.
Boom. Boom. We're going to have a little leftovers for this. Won't Mom be happy?
This is gonna be really
Mom,
thick.
we have breakfast for you.
And
Later.
I don't think we need that many chia seeds, but maybe we do?
Yeah.
Maybe just a
All of
sprinkling on
them.
top?
Oh,
Put some
So
on
we're gonna
the
let these
bubble.
sit for a little bit, so know that soaked chia seeds go a little slimy. All right,
But like-
we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna get ready for shakes 3, 4.
Yeah.
Next round, round 2.
Take 2.
Take 2. It's our first take. What are you implying? That we're not good at this?
no, we're very good.
Lots of berries. All right, I'm gonna do this because we in the interest of time, we put our water in the glass first. I would always recommend putting in your solids and then adding your water at the top because, you know, splashy. But guys, we're talking about, you know, smoothies
Making
here.
smoothies. So
There really are no hard and fast rules. I have no idea what you're gonna do because I don't think all of that's gonna fit in there.
Do it with
Sure.
No, none of this is gonna fit in here.
Can I help you?
I have blue. Can you help me? All the blueberries
And
are
then
falling
I'm gonna put the
everywhere. And I'm
yogurt
getting.
Yeah, you put your yogurt in, Rebecca.
I really don't want this.
Mine's already done.
Yours is, yeah,
Oh.
we're done here, people. We should have cut all of these berries in half.
Or we should use the massive blender that we use for peanut butter. My blueberries.
This is a lot, people. Cut this one in half. Don't worry, we'll let you know. You know, when I looked at it and I was like, 3 cups of berries and a banana. That one's barely gonna make it. You got that yogurt going on? I think that's an excellent idea, Abby. I think we are gonna try the big old piece. Because
But I just put my yogurt in.
not for yours, you're good. It's Abby who's overzealous here and requiring just far too much.
Is the chia seeds for toppings or?
No, that one goes in. Boom.
Okay.
Banana.
All of them?
Go in.
All of it. Hey, anybody want to come over for a breakfast shake? Because we've got enough for about 45 people here on this one.
Oh my goodness.
We'll just give it to all the neighbors.
We don't live in that big of a neighborhood. All right, shoot. All your chia seeds are in. You can start putting that guy in. I kind of feel like there needs to be spinach in this one.
Oh, that looks so sad.
Wait, you gotta close that or we're gonna explode.
No, that's just for I stepped on blueberry.
You're gonna stain your sock.
Oh, yeah.
Eh. 1, 2, 3.
There's still yogurt chunks.
Yeah, I know there's yogurt chunks, so that's why I stopped it to come down. Wipe down your sides.
That
My
one smells so
goodness, there's a lot of this guy.
Whoa, look at the yogurt design.
Ah!
good. Really, Daddy?
Making a mess this morning, people.
All over the place.
What's going on? Ah, my lid's not on properly.
Smart.
All right. Look at all these blueberries everywhere. I'm gonna get a cloth quickly. Nothing's
Mine's
quick.
exploding.
Yeah, I know.
Oi.
And Rebecca's exploded. Blueberry stain, people. Especially when you have a wood countertop. Looks like a cool scorpion or something.
Yeah, it does.
Now you,
Release.
again, too much. Can you pass your sister a glass? Can you pass your sister a glass?
That's me. I'm your sister.
And again, remember why I said put the, oh, you know what, this is gonna go over.
Oh no, it smells leaking.
Leaking? What do you mean leaking?
Oh my, it's like I told you. It's a lot. We still have like 2 more glasses. I think this one makes 3 servings.
You knew that?
No, I didn't. I'm gonna think it does.
You knew that.
No, I didn't.
Sure you knew that.
No, I didn't know that. But
And now we've got chia seed cut in our grooves here. Please stand by. And we're back with a clean top because we got some chia seeds cut in there and we couldn't get our groove in because on this guy, the thread for the cup is on the inside.
Now, chia seeds turn to concrete pretty quick there.
Total mess. Let's see how this
especially
goes.
with these two.
Eh.
It
We're
looks
probably
like
gonna have stuff
purple.
flying everywhere.
Nope. It's a bit of a fail, people.
I'm gonna have a glass pour this one in and then you guys can use that one.
Sort of, but not really. Hey, you, adding extras. We have too much already, and you're like,
I know what we need to do. We need to add more.
So people, we're gonna dial back all of the recipes here. There we go. I think we're good now.
Yay.
Eh.
And
It's like a fade.
it's so purple.
So purple.
My favorite color, so I don't mind.
Pass me that glass. I think we kind of blew
You're
our.
very messy.
Oh, don't put it in the wet.
It's not.
We blew our 5 shakes in 5 minutes, didn't we? Ooh, that's nice. I like that
Oh.
That one's pretty. Oh,
one.
yours has so much, mine.
We may need to
A wash up.
Take 5.
clean up a little bit before we come back with our last one,
Which is the best part?
which is very yummy and it's very desserty.
And we have.
Hey, does
blueberry.
anybody want any shakes? 'Cause
Free
You know.
shakes.
we got a
Yeah.
couple shakes.
If you guys got a party, this one's the one to make.
All right, so I'm still hit with yogurt. We've kind of cleaned up. We've got stains everywhere. That
My
was
fingers
an
are
ordeal,
blue.
and we also fed the neighborhood with smoothies.
Yeah.
Here we are. Oh, you know what you do need? You need a spatula. This is a dessert smoothie, people. I'm not going to call it anything other than that because
We have it for dessert.
we've got ice, we got banana, we got
We got
Nutella,
Nutella, peanut butter,
Peanut
chocolate,
butter.
chips.
vanilla.
Do you want to start getting some of that in there? High school, you saying? Not gonna go well. It's gonna go beautifully. Maybe. For sure. Jinx, we believe in jinxes. You believe in jinxes? I believe in jinxes. You make your own destiny.
Why is this not fitting?
It's the
Ice
so-
cubes.
the
You're supposed to put the
banana.
ice cubes at the top.
And the other thing is, you need to keep these things
Oh, that's so
nice
cool.
and clean, or else we go into our debacle of last time.
20 minutes to try to get that.
Oh no, I get to eat peanut butter and Nutella.
Hey!
Everybody hates that. No, bugger off. Did I make a hole for the milk, you think?
No. It's just going to go straight to the bottom.
Oh, it's the banana holding it up.
That's what I just said.
My goodness, I don't listen to people.
Making a hole, making a hole, making a hole. And, we do need more milk, but we need that banana out of the way. That's why we've never had a problem with this before, so we've never done it with frozen banana before. I will say that I feel like
We have made many a smoothie,
Yeah, for breakfast.
including
A lot.
testing a bunch of these. Not all of them, but a bunch of these. And they have never been this difficult. It really we're making this look like making a smoothie is a hard thing. You know what it is? We don't pre-measure out our ingredients when we make it, and of course we're just doing that for the simplicity of the show.
Yeah.
And I would
We
say
just dump it all
simplicity.
into the container.
You put it all in the container.
and when your banana's frozen at the top, apparently that's a pain in the butt. We don't want to lose any of these. No, you can make sure it's frozen, just... Ours is cut into chunks,
Rebecca, you want to run over there and grab a glass? Hit it, Dano.
My name's not Dana.
Done.
This one always has Nutella on the side.
Yeah.
No matter where we put the Nutella, at the bottom, at the
True,
top,
put
in the
Nutella
middle.
Every other way.
It's on the side.
Oh, so good. And we've never made this one with frozen banana, as I said, so it'll be
Yeah.
extra
Oh, it's
sweet.
chunky.
Oh,
See, that's what it's
Extra sweet
supposed to
and
look
thick.
like.
It's so thick.
No.
Mhm.
We should put straws in.
Oh, and also we have the chocolate chips. That's what that is. Yummy!
It
All right,
smells like
we're gonna clean up again. We're gonna come back and we'll get to the best part.
Finally, the tasting.
tasting.
No, cleaning up. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are done. We have 700 gallons, 4 liters,
And we still have extra.
and extra.
And we fed the neighbors.
And we fed the neighbors. But we are finally ready to sample our berries. Our berries?
Our
smoothies.
smoothies.
So that was...
That was the one.
This is
with
the one where we
spinach.
fed.
No, this is the one with the spinach and the chia seeds on top. So that's
This
our
is
green
the
one.
spinach.
This is all green.
These are berry, and
That's
this is
berry,
dessert.
and that's dessert. So we know dessert is there. I don't like chia seeds because they get stuck in my teeth and I get annoyed. I love me spinach, so I'm going here. Go, try one.
delicious.
Really good. I was going for that one.
This one also has the spinach in it.
I really does. No, that's really has spinach. That's good. No,
Oh!
that one turned out really good to me.
I don't think so. I think yeah, he's right. Chia seed has spinach in it.
This one you just take right together. I don't really like that one. I just.
Can I try that one? I'm gonna try this one.
The cheese is on top of it, yeah, but I like it too.
Alright,
That
dessert.
one.
All that dessert.
I don't really like that.
Try the other dessert.
Frozen banana.
I like this one. I like this one.
All right, so line them up in a row.
I don't think you tried this one then.
Oh, I did because I tried it before.
But try it again. I have grape freeze now.
I don't.
It's really
You know what this is? This is better than a milkshake.
It's thicker than a milkshake.
It's just amazing. It's not healthy for you
No, it's not.
because of the Nutella, but it's way healthier than a milkshake.
And we
so
put chocolate chips.
Where are you going?
From best to worst?
Yeah.
Do I like place them?
No, just tell us.
This one,
'Kay.
this one, that
So
one.
that one's
one,
at the like that one's the last.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Then
And this is the berry.
oh god, I'm gonna have to say that one. 'Cause
This
I
one.
like these. I like So it's this one, then this one, like for the worst. So it starts with this one, then this one. Then, I don't know, because I like these stay the same. They're
Rebecca,
really
what do you
good.
think?
And that one.
I
I just don't
this
like that
one
one.
the first, then I think this one. I can't remember the taste of that one, no.
So this
This one's definitely the
Listen.
third.
These two are my
Fourth,
favorite.
fifth.
This is my favorite just because it's yummy and great, but I kind of feel like it's in a category unto itself. Once we get into this realm, when you incorporate the yogurt and the milk, I think it really adds a lot to them. This green guy is amazing.
Yeah,
You don't really taste the
that
spinach.
That one's my
The
first,
banana,
second, third,
The
fourth,
yogurt.
fifth.
Yogurt? No, there's no yogurt. This is banana. This is so simple, so great, really yummy. This guy, I would make it again, minus the chia seeds, and it's probably my second.
Yeah,
Although these
it
two
has-
are a tie. I don't like berry seeds in my teeth.
There's 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in that one.
No,
This one.
because they're blended in, and I like it blended in. I can deal with it blended
Yeah.
in. The topping, no, man, I got any hoozle. Thank you for watching. What can they do if they like this?
Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and
What can they do? Can they share it with their friends, maybe?
Yeah.
and
Just
ring,
share
And
it.
the,
follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
and ring the notification bell.
You can do so many things, but we hope you enjoy. We hope you make some of these smoothies. We made a royal mess of it, which was fun, and we had a good time. So,
But our counter is permanently stained.
is it though?
Yeah,
Is it?
it is.
Get in the kitchen, make some smoothies.
It's really good.
Have fun. See you next time.
Bye. No, tasting is the best part. Stop tasting. You're supposed to save your reaction. I mean, they've already seen
I
it.
mean, good or bad?